Through an extraordinary relationship with more than 440,000 residents it serves, BREC has received the support and funding to create a unique system of facilities, parks, and events in order to create a healthier and more vibrant community. In 2017, BREC's programs registrations increased by 30% through creative community partnerships and innovative offerings. BREC's reputation is exemplified by its over 12,000 phenomenal volunteers who've donated more than 135,000 service hours the past 3 years, saving taxpayers more than $3 million. Voted Best in Baton Rouge by 225 magazine, BREC's summer camp served 36,000 children and provided more than $300,000 in financial assistance to low-income residents. With over 400 partners and a high level of community involvement, BREC strategically progresses toward achieving its goals through conservation, innovation, connectivity, and community impact. In 2017, BREC built upon its legacy of recreational innovation by opening the state's first surfing simulator, the Shockwave at Liberty Lagoon Water Park. 19,000 participants tested their surfing skills and over 160 lessons were given. The simulator generated more than $26,000 in additional revenue for BREC to utilize on other programs. BREC's 24-hour BioBlitz program invites citizen scientists to help catalog species in conservation areas and gather information for conservation management plans. Over 1,192 new plant and animal species have been identified, 20 of which are considered rare or previously undocumented in East Baton Rouge Parish. To increase STEM knowledge in Louisiana's public school system, BREC Zoo provides Project ARC, a free mobile program that visited 23 schools with a large percentage of at-risk students. BREC's dedicated staff of naturalists and environmental educators manage over 2,000 acres of conservation land with the purpose of protecting unique species and habitats while promoting recreational and educational opportunities. The highly developed interactive Swamp Nature Center allows BREC to preserve the area's rich past in a densely populated urban area. BREC follows an aggressive reforestation program to reduce its environmental impact. For every tree removed in a BREC park, 9 more are planted elsewhere. BREC is collaborating with state and local partners to enhance trail connectivity within and between parks and community assets. As the largest landowner in the parish, BREC is also working with city leaders to create a stormwater master plan that utilizes BREC's acreage as part of a solution to flood control and resiliency. The Baton Rouge Zoo is the most visited attraction in East Baton Rouge with more than 200,000 annual visitors, and according to an economic impact study, the zoo generates over $17 million in economic activity each year for the parish. In recent years, BREC's positive community impact and capabilities have received national attention as the BREC team has worked to become a catalyst to help spark social change for East Baton Rouge Parish. After a police shooting led to weeks of civil protest and racial divide, BREC launched the Youth Chat with Leo, a program bringing police officers into high-crime areas twice a month to answer questions, get to know youth better, and demonstrate the use of K-9 units and technology in squad cars. The program continues to grow and evolve in summer camps, Biking with the Badge, and Boxing with the Badge programs. Soon after the protests, historic flooding ravaged Baton Rouge. BREC served a vital role in the area's immediate aid and long-term recovery by opening short-term shelters, distributing 25 truckloads of relief supplies, providing children in shelters with mobile recreation, operating emergency camps, and quickly repairing and reopening parks. Over 30 BREC parks reduced flooding by acting as stormwater detention areas. In alignment with this mission to create a healthier community, BREC partnered with the Capital Area Human Service District to educate citizens about the deadly opioid epidemic and placed 55 informational booths at events to discuss the issue. With a focus on education, BREC was the first donor for a world-class children's museum, funded almost entirely on private donations. It's housed in one of BREC's signature parks and has served more than 150,000 people in its first 8 months of operation. BREC, focused on serving the people, is driven to resolve social and racial division, combat health issues, elevate low-income neighborhoods, maximize tax dollars, and educate the next generation. For 2018 and beyond, BREC is dedicated to creating a more connected East Baton Rouge. At BREC, the future is even better than imagined.